Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could change the way you handle your cat's litter box maintenance. We recently came across the cat litter box liners for self-cleaning smart litter boxes. You can find the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these cat litter box liners? These are heavy-duty disposable waste bags specifically designed for self-cleaning litter boxes. With dimensions of 25 by 15 inches, they fit most automatic litter boxes snugly, ensuring they stay in place during the cleaning cycle. Let's talk about the standout features of these liners. First and foremost, they are made from thick, tear-resistant plastic with double-stitched seams. This design not only enhances their durability but also makes them leak-proof and odor-blocking. You can rest easy knowing that moisture and unpleasant smells are effectively contained, keeping your home fresh and your floors clean. Another great feature is the Hygienic drawstring closure. This means that when it's time to dispose of the used liner, you can simply pull the tie to seal it up, allowing for quick and sanitary disposal. This design minimizes direct hand contact with waste, which is a major plus for maintaining hygiene during litter box cleanup. No spills, no fuss. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a cat owner with a self-cleaning litter box, these liners are a must-have. They are particularly beneficial for busy pet owners who want to streamline their daily pet care routine. If you find yourself dreading the mess that comes with cleaning the litter box, these liners will save you time and hassle. In terms of practical use cases, imagine it's a busy weekday morning. You're rushing to get out of the house, and your cat's litter box is in need of a change. With these liners, you can quickly swap out the old one for a new one without getting your hands dirty. Just pull the drawstring, seal it up, and toss it away. It's as simple as that. Moreover, since each box contains 3 rolls with a total of 45 liners, you can stock up without worrying about running out too soon. This bulk pack not only offers convenience but also makes it cost-effective in the long run. These liners are designed to work universally with leading smart litter box models, cutting down on maintenance time and making litter cleanup stress-free. Whether you have a busy lifestyle, multiple cats, or just want to make litter box maintenance as efficient as possible, these liners are designed to meet your needs. In summary, the cat litter box liners for self-cleaning smart litter boxes are an excellent solution for pet owners looking to simplify their litter box cleaning routine. With their snug fit, leak-proof design, and hygienic features, they provide a practical and effective way to manage your cat's waste. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.